to build this. 4 gigs, available 8 gigs. So there need to build this. WebGL support. Okay, I need to install this. There. In progress. So this is going to take a while, you know. Should I make a trailer? Is that really necessary? Oh, you know what? I have a few things to fix. For example, when a card is added and then I need to decide if it gets a how it's called, a component for the items. There, add item component container. This or not this. This. What? Why there is nothing here? Add component fusionable. Set card activation event. Okay. So, where is this used? This is used here. If the activation trigger event is none, is not none. Available. See? So when is this set? Oh, here. So this is set in the tutorials. Normally what's the value for this? It's 0. So if items available, items given counter, so this is set as 1 normally, and this is 1. So this is 0. If item given trigger false, if it's not available, set this as none. Okay. So this inverses it. Is card activation trigger available? It is given to remove activation trigger max. It is given to remove activation. So if it's between 4 and 12, this is available. Weird. If it's available, if it's not null, if it's not none, none. No, that's wrong. Okay. So this is items given. Is item there. Set card activation event. This is when the item card is visited. So this is when the parent deck manager is a player. Okay, but this only affects the player. What if it's a card that is okay, but this is when this is visited. Visit my card. When it starts. When is this? There. Sure. Did you finish? What? I didn't ask you to... Oh, installing. Well, that was fast. Wait a second. Here comes my little dog, my little dog. My cute doggy, doggy, doggy. I'll be right back. Nice. Add player to deck. Add to player deck, I mean. Full size card. What's this? So that's the problem. When this card gets created, it gets configured. When the mini card gets created, it gets configured. That's the problem. So this starts immediately. And then where was it? Let me see. Visited. There, when this runs immediately when it gets created. That's the problem. This one. Card prefab. Maybe I should add this card again. Visit my card. All over again. There. Visit. No. No visit my card. Because this is private. Okay. Okay, so this is public now. Visit my cards SO. There. Save normal position, destroy. There. So visit this. So when this is run again, only if it's a player, set card activation event. Items. Configured counter. Wait, so wait a second. This is wrong because this will run the configuration twice. This is going to be run twice. When it gets created and when it gets added to the player deck. So this is wrong. So let's remove that. You know what can I do? Let's do like this. Public void figure trigger. It's activation trigger. There. There. Configure activation trigger. There. So when should this be run? When it gets created? When should this run? Only when it has the parent manager. So this here, and actually this here only. Actually this let's get specific card prefab. So this is here, instantiated, there, changes the parent deck manager, let me check here, the parent deck manager. Oh, but it's okay actually, because this will actually run once. So this will run, but since it doesn't have a parent deck manager, oh wait, maybe I should get this. If it was configured, let's add one more. Private bool activation trigger set equals false. What should I say? Configure. There. So when it was configured, if parent deck manager this and not configured, there, this is true, there. So it will only get configured when it changes the parent. Configure activation trigger. There we go. So once this is activated, once it has a parent deck and the parent deck is the player and it wasn't configured, there is going to trigger. It's going to configure this private pool. Then it's going to work. There. Set card activation event. There it's going to work. Okay, so if it's not available, is card activation trigger available? If it's not, set it as none. When is it not? When it's greater than this. Items configured counter. So if it's greater, okay, so normally is 1. So you receive the first one and you say yes, it's available. If it's not available, you set it as none. Okay, so this should be working. Thank you so much. So I'm gonna close this now. Wait, no. Should I recompile just in case? Okay, this is this. Let's close this. Compiling. So let's play just a little bit more to test it. There. Punch. Oh, you know what else is missing? I need to make the tutorial. What? I need to make the tutorial optional. Where is it? This. What? Come on. Component container data. Card creator. So why did you run this? I think it was a... Okay, so this is run. Yes. Oh, but only if it's a... Oh, that's the problem. I should visit it. Visit my card, so that's correct. That's the problem. There we go. There. Punch. Cave. Tree. Perfect. There. Works fine. So I tree, grass and stone. There. Tree, grass and stone. Ruins. Tree, grass and stone. Oops. Okay, confuse none. Ah. Okay, this is for confusing. There. Oh, come on. I still haven't fixed this issue. That sucks. is traveling. Enemy template. Wait a second. What's enemy? This guy. Oh. Okay. What happened there? No idea what happened there. Stone, perfect. Poison. So this one is attacking the other guy. Okay, what's the matter with you? I want to destroy. Look at that, isn't that nice? Why are you attacking, man? Oh. It's like I fix one problem and a new one appears. With each problem I fix, a new one appears. Okay. But you know what? You know what? The game is doing exactly what I tell it to do. It's not that it's wrong, you know? I'm the one who's wrong. I just need to tell it something different that actually does what I imagine it, what I imagine, what I wish it did, you know. I just need to tell it something different that does what I want it to do, because I told it to do something, but that's not what I want it to do. You know what I mean? It's not working in a faulty way, that's what I mean. My instructions are faulty, not the program, that's what I mean. So the instructions I gave are other things. Is the thing that isn't working correctly, not the program. I mean, not the computer. The computer is only doing what I tell it to do. So I'm the one who's wrong, not the computer. That's what I meant. That's what I meant to say. So there, activation. That's an item, very good. Activation 0. So that's a bit confusing because I saw right there that there was something, but now there isn't. I don't like that. I don't like that. That's wrong. So I should fix it. There, when I visit something, it configures the activation event here, right? Yes. So it should change it once again. I don't think so. Maybe I should change it here. Enemy. So if it's not an enemy, you do that. And this should be removed. Did I do that right? Visit. Okay, so don't visit it again. This configuration should be done only once when it gets visited. Configure activation event of the item card. And this is done. When is this visited? Visit my card. Where is it? This one is only happening here. Good. So when it gets visited, when the item is visited, it's configured here. Oh, but that's the thing. This will only get configured if the deck manager is there. That's the problem. So if it doesn't have a deck, maybe I should just use it like this, you know. So if it doesn't have a deck manager, maybe I should do it like this. If the deck manager is null, then you can configure it there. Maybe that's what I should do. If it's null, wait, what if I give it to the player? Or maybe I should do it like this. Only configure it if it's null, or if it's null, or wait. So let's add two cases, right? The first case is if it starts inside a deck, right? That's one case. And the other case is if the parent manager is null. Those are two cases. The two cases in which this will get configured. If it configure, let's say if the card was created outside a parent manager. Let's see. Mini cars. There. So if the card is created inside, the player player deck. That's what I should do. Equals enemy player. If the card is inside the player deck, do this. Configure it. If the card was created outside the parent manager. Oh, I should add maybe I should add another one of these. If not, there, else if, there we go. If activation trigger configures, wait. Set card activation event. Or set. Maybe I should replace. Or I should set remove card activation event. There we go. The save is container should event or remove it. The save the component should have an again or remove it. Remove it. There. There. Should I remove? Let's do decision. Remove activation event and let's do decision. Oops. Okay, let's leave it like that. There, so here only if it's a hero, so only if the card is in the player deck. Set the activation event for the item to none depending on the number of cards configured. So let's check this here. This card, maybe 12 is too much. So from 4 cards to let's say 12. I mean 10. after 10 items, it goes there. Items given? No, items configured. Configured to remove activation trigger max. There we go. Very self-explanatory. Items configure counter. So this happens if the parent manager exists and if it's inside the player. There. If the card was created outside a parent manager. Per deck manager. A parent deck manager. In org map. There, this should fix this. Okay, that should be it. Let's try again. So if this works, I need to fix another thing. I need to fix the vargs. What a pain in the butt. Okay, there. Let's not get overwhelmed. I have at least 2 bugs to fix. When the enemy gets confused and it gets killed, everything seems to be broken. Sleep self. No thank you. Self weak. Enemy health. Oh, that's good. That's good. Okay, this is too close to that. Let's build it a little bit there. Nope. No, too far. Tree. There. Shield. Oops. Any more? Another cave. There we go. Where are you? shield and confuse. No, thank you. Enemy poison. That's good. Oh, that's nice. First, -2. Weak. No, not good. Third, weak. Enemy weak. No, thank you. Oh, that's nice. Self-sleep. I have a nice deck. Deck of cards, by the way. Don't get confused. There we go. This one. Ah, that sound. Drives me crazy. Sounds like a mouse typing on the keyboard or something like that. Take that. Oh. I just want new items, please. Oh, that's one. That one. Let's get rid of that. Health. Another tree and another stone. Confuse. Okay, so I have this. Let's add self health. Oh, that's a lot. Okay, self health. Let's do this. Nice. Confuse. Okay, let's add you here. Oh, this never gets activated. Oh, I need third -2, first -2. Nah, that's doesn't work for me. So I think it works. Okay, so see how this had no activation, but this had one, which is good. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Maybe 4 is too few. Maybe I should increase it. Let's increase it. Uh, 4, 5. Let's give you 6. There we go. Okay, let's close this. And let's open it again. Just to make sure that I can build the web version. Just want to know. And then I need to fix that when killing confused enemy, the target of the hero is lost and he gets stuck attacking nothing. Maybe the enemy killed his target, so the hero could not fight anymore. There we go. Okay, just let me check if I can build a web version. Operating solution. Nice. Web, here we go. System default. Microsoft Edge. Let's do Google Chrome. Oh, okay. System default. Texture compression. No idea. Development. No. Runtime speed. What is LTO? Runtime speed. Let me ask this grok. In Unity 6, when building a web build, what is code optimization LTO? What is code optimization LTO option? Code optimization. Disk size with LTO. Link time optimization. Okay. Okay. Link time optimization. Compute compiler. Interprocedural optimizations. Inlining functions. Okay. Okay. Increased build time. Oof, look at that. Significantly. Wow. Better inlining and code elimination. Okay, let's try. Let's just try runtime speed with LTO. Max texture size, texture compression. Okay, let's build it. Where is the build option? Okay, build. Press build. Switch platform. Oh my god. I hope I don't break the game. Oh, it's because I should have saved. I didn't know it's going to do that. I haven't built something in like 20 years. Actually, the last time I built something was like, when was it? Like 1 year ago? I forgot it. I had to do this. I guess there is no problem. I guess. So after I finish with this, I need to do stuff for sure. Beep 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 beep. Okay, so if this doesn't work, I'm gonna have to work on that. So I'm gonna have to delete all of those files for my build. I hope not. Okay, let's come here. itch.io page. Tooltips tree. Add tooltips tree. Okay, I think I finished this. I already did the tutorial, but maybe I still need to polish it. No, it's still working. There, I need to make this and fix this. I thought I'd fixed it. So this is how it looks. Introduction. In Warrior's Loop, equip your hero with cards he automatically uses in battles. Build structures on a 3D map for your hero to explore, gathering new cards and growing stronger to defeat the evil boss. Key features. Customize. I don't like the space here. I don't like the space. The spacing is wrong. Ugh. Key features. That's the only thing you have. Format. Heading 2. There. Heading. Maybe 3 instead of 2. Heading 3. There. Heading 3. And heading 3. Gameplay. Okay, save. Let's check a look. Yeah, much better. I don't like this spacing. Introduction. Let's add one space here, one space here, one space here, and let's check a look. Okay, I need another space there. Oop, ouch. One there. No. What's in the hook? There. Save. View page. Okay, nice spacing here, nice spacing here. What's going on there? Why I can't see this space? 1, 2. What's going on here? What? There, let's see if that's respected. Okay, better. Introduction, key features, gameplay, run duration, controls. Nice, good spacing. Okay, there we go. Now I can build it. Build and run. Unity 6 projects. Unity temps. let's write there. No, not here, not on the temps. Let's see, Unity 6. Unity 6 builds. There, let's add Warriors loop 1. There. So let's see how much time do you take. Let's measure the time. Okay, measuring. And waiting. Begin. One minute. Building player. I wonder how many minutes will it last. Main map, Unity, start screen, processing prefabs. What's this? That's a lot of some things, you know what I mean? A lot of some things. Front mission remake, the crust, the synced. Oh my god. So it seems I can't build it. I cannot build it. Okay, after 2 minutes everything was broken. Okay, so what I need to do, what? API has changed. To API that has changed. Yes. Gizmo type. Okay, so basically I need to free space on my hard drive. Yes. Okay, so oof, look at that, 1 gigabyte. Okay, I'm gonna free some space and I'm gonna go back to this tomorrow. Thanks for coming. Good.